What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's having a good day so far. Before this video starts, I just want to let you guys know that this video was recorded like 5 or 6 months ago before I got into another accident, so I really never got to put it out there for you guys. But in this video, we do the unthinkable. We do something that a lot of people would probably say you're not supposed to do to these cars, and we changed the taillights on my 2014 Mustang. And I know what a lot of you are going to be thinking, Matt, why didn't you get the 1314 style Euros, you know, the ones that are breaking the internet right now for the S197s? The reason I didn't buy those is because when I bought these taillights I have right now a few months back, the 1314 style Euros were non-existent. Previously, the only way you were able to get 1314 style Euros was off a Euro Mustang across seas all the way in freaking Europe. That was the only way you were able to get 1314 Euros. But to be honest with you guys, the lights I have now have really grown on me, and I like the way they look with the deep impact blue. We're still going to be boosting my Mustang, so stay tuned for that. That'll probably be my next video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. It's going to be freaking dope, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. See you guys later. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a mod that I actually never thought I would be doing to my car. Let me just show you. So if you guys don't know, my car is a 2014, and the whole reason I got this car is because of these taillights. Like, these taillights, in my opinion, are probably one of the best factory taillights ever put on a car. Like, oh my gosh, look at them, so beautiful. And I know what you're saying, if you love these taillights so much, why are you gonna change them? Well, help me out, bro. Look what I found. Look what I found. Oh yes. Euro style taillights. So I've actually been looking for Euro style taillights for this car for the longest time. And I've been looking for the 2014 taillights, the Euro ones, and those are, you can't find those anywhere. They're like off the grid. You can only get them off a car that I guess that was made specifically for Europe, because they don't make any kind of aftermarket ones. So these are gonna have to do, and I just think they're gonna look so good, man, with the deep impact blue especially.
Seen on a Mustang.
The what?
Probably like the easiest mod I've ever seen on a Mustang.
Think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be easy too. Let's do it, bruh.
Let's do it.
You know I'm always prepared, man. You know I'm always prepared. Look at that.
Yes, sir.
All right, we got him out.
Should we clean it?
Yeah, we'll give it a little wipe down, get all that dust out. But goodbye 1314 taillights. At least for now. If I don't like these in the long run, I mean, I guess I will go back, but I think I will like these Euros. Oh, dude, close the trunk. Close the trunk. Let's see it. Oh my god. Oh, you can't. The lighting's a little bad here. We need to pull it out. Oh my goodness. That's so beautiful. Yes, dude. Alright, here, I'm gonna turn it on.
Yeah, go turn your hazards.
Yeah. Let's see? Let's see? Ready?
Yep. Oh!
Let's go!
Yeah. Ooh, boy. Yeah. Oh my god, that is so sick. Yeah, dude, fuck yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Dude, they look fucking beautiful out here. Oh my
Oh, dude, deep impact blue doesn't disappoint. We're gonna head to a gas station real quick, put some gas, take some new shots of the taillights. Dude, it looks so sick. See, let's go take a look at the new taillights.
Go, boy.
Sheesh.
Show the camera.
Yeah. Alright guys, I guess that's gonna wrap up this video. But drop your comment down below what you guys think of the new Euro style taillights. I think they look so good, man. They look great on this deep impact blue. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.